Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change battery in 2022 Subaru Forester key fob, easy method. Start by removing the emergency key from the fob using the Release tab. Pry the fob halves apart gently with a small flathead screwdriver at the seam, then lift out the old CR2032 battery. Note orientation before removing it so you insert the new battery the same way. After opening the fob, carefully note the battery orientation and remove the old CR2032 using a fingertip or plastic pry tool. Avoid touching the battery contacts with greasy fingers to prevent poor connection. Insert the new CR2032 with the same orientation, press the halves back together until they click, and slide the emergency key back into place. Test locking and unlocking from a few feet away to confirm proper function. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite makes reading repair guides and car manuals easy when you are under the hood, and it fits nicely on a workbench. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more quick car tips and easy methods. I use my Paperwhite to keep digital manuals handy, and it saves time flipping pages. Check the description for the link and other deals, and then now let's get back to the video. If your fob does not work after replacing the battery, first reopen and verify the CR2032 is seated correctly and the contacts are clean. Gently bend contacts back into position if they appear misaligned, and try another new battery to rule out a bad cell. If problems persist, the issue may be the circuit or programming, and a dealer or locksmith can diagnose and reprogram the key fob for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.